The heat pump industry, I can't talk for Europe, but in the UK, our biggest problem is getting the word out in terms of the capabilities of heat pumps. There's a lot of incorrect information being circulated on when a heat pump's suitable. So the biggest problem is getting the message out that this isn't a new technology. This is something which has been around, since the 50s in terms of when refrigeration was first brought in. And it's a proven, reliable technology, and people can rely and trust on that. But that has to be done from the ground up. It can't be done from marketing. It has to be done from the installer base to build trust from installers. So manufacturers to installers, and installers to the consumer. So you've got a proper chain of competency, reliability, and then something which the industry can then grow from.